Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to do a quick review on counting coins, and after that, you are going to hop on over to a new website. It is called IXL. Now, I charted on my laptop at home and on my iPad, so I'm hoping that it works for you. If it does not, no worries at all. You can just practice with regular coins out of your coin jar or your piggy bank, or you can just head on over to the Kahoot if you think you're ready to take the quiz, okay? So first, before we get started, I want to show you a chart that sometimes whenever you're having difficulty counting coins, it could really help you out, okay? So if you're counting coins on your own and you can do it in your head, that is perfectly fine. There is no need to use this chart. But I just wanted to do a couple of problems today to show you how to use a 100 chart to count coins, okay? So right here, you have 4 coins, and I already know what this coin is. You should too. This coin is a dime. It is worth how much money? That's right, it's worth 10 cents. Now you'll notice this 100 chart is a little bit different. First off, I see a lot of cent signs, okay? That's the symbol for cent. I also see some silver. I wonder why this row or column and this column are silver. Why is that silver? It is silver because when you count with dimes and nickels and even quarters and you don't have any pennies, you won't ever be anywhere else on the 100 chart except for these 2 columns, okay? So right now we have 4 dimes. We won't ever leave the silver column. Now there's 2 silver columns. I wonder which one we're going to be in today. Well, I know a dime is worth 10 cents. If I add another dime, I could hop 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or I could just hop down. So 2 dimes is 20 cents. So I already used these 2 dimes. Add another dime, we have 30 cents. Add another dime, we have 40 cents. Okay? So I'm just going to type 40 cents right here. Make it a little bit bigger. Now I don't need to type anything else because there's a cent sign there. Now on some of your quizzes today, you are going to see this number written a little bit differently, 40 cents. You can also write 40 cents like this. Okay, let me add another text box here. Copy and paste it. Now, the reason why you can write it different ways is if you have a cent sign, you do not need to write 40 cents like that. What you'll do is you will write it like this. You can put 0.40, and that's if you have a dollar sign. And sometimes you won't even see a dollar sign, but just so you know, it could be written either way. Okay, boys and girls? So this is the same as this. 40 cents, 40 cents. They both equal the same number, okay? All right, let's try another one. Now my coins are in a little coin pouch here. I see 3 coins. They're all silver, so we will not leave these 2 columns. I see 1 dime, and I see 2 nickels. I know a dime is worth 10, and then 5 and 5. So I have to start on my largest coin. Not my largest coin, because actually a dime is smaller in size than a nickel, but my coin that is worth the most. So this dime is worth the most, so I'll start at 10. Here's my 10 right here. And then now I have to hop 5. I don't even need to mess with any of these numbers here. I have to just hop 5 right here because 10 plus 5 is 15. Hop 5 more. There I have 20. So 20 cents, okay? 20 cents is my number, is my answer. All right, so let's type in a 20 there. 20 cents. Now remember, there's already a cent sign, so I don't need to do it or to write it the other way. I'll just keep it just with my 20. I don't need to put a decimal point or anything else because the cent sign's already there. So we have 20 cents. 10, 15, 20. Okay? Let's just do a couple more quickly just so you know how to use this chart, and then we'll get back to having you guys try these on your own. Look what I have here. I see 2 dimes, but I also see 2 pennies. So that means because I have 2 pennies, I'm going to have to go into the white area, okay? So 2 dimes, so here's my 10, add 10 more, at 20. Now I only have to hop 1 cent, that's 21, and then 1 more cent, that's 22. 22 cents, okay? 22. Now, like I said, do not feel obligated to use this chart. This is just showing you another strategy. If you're having trouble doing it in your head, this gives you a really good visual, okay? So 10, 20, 21, 22. And sometimes you won't be able to put the coins in order yourself. They will just be on a piece of paper and they won't be in order. These are actually in order and most of them are, but sometimes on your quiz today, some of them will not be in order. So you'll have to just know, oh, I have to start with the coin that is worth the most, okay? All right, okay, so here we have a dime and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies, okay? So 5 pennies. Okay, so I start with my coin that is worth the most. That's a dime. So I move on over to 10. Now I have to go into the white area. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. So I'm at 10. I hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm at 15. That's 15 cents. Okay? Is this making sense to you guys? You've been counting money for a couple of days now. Hopefully you're getting the hang of it. 15 cents. All right, let's do one more and then I'll let you explore on your own, okay? So here's a dime, nickel, nickel, penny, penny, penny. So a dime, start at 10 cents. Then I have a nickel, so I'll hop down to 15 because that's 5 hops. I have another nickel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 cents. And then I have 3 pennies, so I'll hop 3. 1, 2, 3, 23 cents. Okay, thanks for listening, boys and girls. Go ahead over and I'll show you super quick how to get to IXL. And if you're having trouble, I'll show you how to go backwards a little bit so you can review. Okay, so your link will take you to a page that looks like this. Excuse me. And what you'll do is you will, first off, you can use your chart. You can print the chart out that I linked if you like to. Here's your first coin you'll start with, and then you'll just count on. Now, if this is a little bit too tricky for you and you're not quite ready, you can actually go down and you can click on names and values of common coins, okay? So if you're not quite ready for this counting coins, you can click on this, okay? You do not need to log in, sign in. You do not need to click on membership. You do not need a password. And if this doesn't work, that's okay too, okay? If you're done with this and the Kahoot, there are so many different things you can explore on this website. If you click on math, first grade, there are so many different skills that you can go ahead and click on, okay? And then you'll hop over to your Kahoot right here, and it should let you write in. You'll type your name, and you'll practice, okay? All right, boys and girls, thanks so much. Have a good one.